Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this competition. So next, I will introduce a little bit about semantic AI applications. So we all know that machine learning models, when you want to train these models, you need appropriate data as input. It is very common that people lack the knowledge of the raw data. Not only missing data or reading outliers, but as introduced by Linda in the past few slides, sometimes you may need to understand building specifics, sensing structures. So it is said that 70% of efforts are used to pre-process raw data. This is very true. And semantic AI platform seek to automate data preprocessing. In the raw data itself, there are semantics. And semantic AI platforms or tools help you to understand this semantics so that you don't need to do this. Let me give you one example. For example, in this competition, you want to train a demand load forecasting model. And you may need the flow rate of chillers, supply water temperature, and return water temperature, and maybe outdoor temperature, and so on and so forth. So you are looking for flow rate, return temperature, supply temperature, and you are looking for some data like this, right? Appropriate and high-quality data so that you can feed into your model directly. In reality, the raw data looks like this. There are semantics within the data, and you need to learn and dig it out, like the flow rate, the temperatures. This is not the end of it. For temperature, if you go look into the raw data, the temperature files, well, this is only a partial of it. If you list all the files with temperature, you get a bunch of CSV file. And you need to understand the semantics within it and find the appropriate supply water temperature and appropriate return water temperature. So this is where you really need a semantic AI tool or platform. For example, we developed an anagram with standard select from where statements. This is a very standard database statement. So if you just write these statements from chillers, and you want to get the flow rate and appropriate temperature out of it. And then the system, the tool can help you to automate, to understand the semantics within the data and help you to extract the data. So we have a tutorial of anagram in this link, and we provide one-day raw data. So this is just give you a feeling of why we need semantic AI platforms and semantic tools. In this one-day data, there are already over 3,000 files, more than 90 megabytes. But don't worry. In this competition, we will provide you with preprocessed data, surely introduced by Samson and other colleagues. So that you can emphasize on the AI model development. We just want you to understand that semantic tools and semantic platforms, you can get a first-hand feeling that is very important. Thank you.